In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com with Slack so your updates and notifications can flow automatically between the two. First, open your Monday.com account and make sure you're on the main home area. You'll want to be logged in as an admin or someone with permissions to manage integrations because we're going into the admin settings. From the top navigation, look for the area that opens your main menu and click the highlighted option that takes you into the admin section. Once that menu is open, choose Administration. This is where all of your account level settings live, including security, billing, and the connections we're going to work with. Inside the administration area, look for the section called Connections and click it. This is where Monday.com manages links to other tools. Next, select Automation Connections. This narrows things down to the services that can trigger or receive automated actions. Now, click on Explore Integrations. This opens the Integrations Marketplace, where you can search through all the apps that Monday.com can connect to. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and start typing the name of the integration you want. In this case, we're looking for Slack, so type it in and then click the highlighted Slack result when it appears in the list. Once you're on the Slack integration page, click on the option for Slack itself, then choose Use Template. Templates give you pre-built automation recipes, like sending a Slack message when a status changes on a specific board. After choosing Use Template, you'll be prompted to pick where this automation should live. Click on the relevant project or board that you want to connect to Slack. With your board selected, click Connect. This will open a new window that takes you to Slack's authorization page. Here, you might see a cookies banner. Go ahead and click Accept All Cookies so the page works properly. Next, review the permissions Slack is asking for. These usually include permission to read channels and send messages. When you're comfortable with the requested access, click Allow to confirm the connection between Monday.com and your Slack workspace. You'll be redirected back to Monday.com when the authorization is complete. If needed, click back to return to your board. Finally, click the highlighted integration recipe or configuration area on your board to review and adjust any settings, like which channel to send updates to. After configuring your account, your integration with Slack is fully set up and ready to use.